how to recover Google account if you don't have access to its recovery email or phone number. Don't worry, it's gonna be so easy. So without further ado, let's do it. To recover your Google account without email or phone number, you need to open a browser. I'm gonna use Google Chrome, but you can use any browser you want. Here in the web address, go to help.google.com. Then here, since we have a problem with our Google account, select Google account. We need to scroll down and find Post to Help Community. Scroll down again and click on Post a Question. Now you need to sign in to any Google account you have. If you don't have extra Google account, you can create a new one by clicking on the Create Account button here. I have an extra Google account, so I will just proceed to signing in. After signing in, we are now going to post to Google Help Community. Here in the short summary, we are going to tell them what happened to our Google account or what is our concern all about. For me, it's about I forgot my password. And also you need to discuss to them what happened to your Google account. Just make sure that you don't share your private information like password or email because it's not allowed in the post. They will ask you about that later once they respond to your concern. You can also add an attachment such as picture or screenshots here, but it's optional, you can just skip it. In the category, select Account Access and Recovery. Then Next. Here you can choose any reason according to your case. I'm going to choose lost, forgot, or change password. Then Next step. You don't need to check any of these, just click Next step again. For the platform, I'm using an Android. Next step again. For the display name, this will be the name that will be displayed in the post. You can edit this name by clicking on the pencil icon here. You can also just leave it as it is. And also make sure to check the checkbox here to be notified when someone responds to your post. Once all are done, we can now click on Post. Our concern has been posted. Google Community Specialist will respond to your post within 24 hours, or it may also take longer than that. You will be notified through email when someone responds to you. They will tell you the next step to finally recover your Google account. If you have questions, just comment down below.